Thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell button to get notified every time I post a new video. And in this video, I'm going to be doing an opening of this is a brake fluid tester. This is the brand here, and that's the model number. I'm going to be doing a review on this one as well, so that you could see what it does. So let's see what. Oh, it's not really a manual for it. Then this is just it right here, and it shows everything how to use it. And it's basically you put this inside of that brake fluid itself, and it'll read out the measurements. So I'll show you how to use it right now. Okay, so here's the device here, and you can see it has that long probing thing, and you do need two AAA batteries, for it to work. It doesn't come with them, but to turn it on, you just press and hold the power button, and you see how it turns on. And then also, what's pretty cool, at the very end it has a little like flashlight, so you press and hold the power button like for 2 seconds and it turns on. You see how it turned on there? As you can probably see it reflecting there. And then also you see how it has D3, D4, and then D5.1. That's the type of brake fluid. So make sure you set it to the right one. So you just press and set it to the correct one. This one is a .3. So basically you just pop it in. Let me see. Brake fluid's kind of low on this one. Should have checked it beforehand. Let me try to twist it and get it in there properly. Okay, so I set it in there. It's kind of low. I gotta check my brake fluid, but if you can see, it'll mark, and it's in between. It's yellow, so it's should be replaced. Red is bad. You should never have it at red, but this one should get replaced, just so you could get it on green. But that's how you use it. And then of course, when you're done, always make sure you clean the very tip of it to get an accurate reading. So hopefully this helps. This is pretty cool, because a lot of the car manuals, they never tell you when to replace the brake fluid. It's always a guess, or when you see it that's kind of low, and this will tell you automatically. Let's see if I can do it again. Get it in there real quick, and yeah, you see how it turns automatically yellow as soon as it starts touching the fluid. So I hope this helps a lot, and see if you get one for yourself. This is pretty cool. If you're doing your own maintenance, this is a must.